Nearly $20 million in funding is now headed to two community health centers in southern Colorado in a boost by the Biden administration's battle to beat the pandemic. KRDO News Channel 13's Jen Moynihan is live from the Peak Vista Community Health Center Clinic in Colorado Springs with details. Jen.
Heather, the funding will allow clinics like this one here on Jetwing Drive to expand testing, treatment, and vaccination efforts in the fight against COVID-19. Money from the big push by the Biden administration's American Rescue Plan will reach more people in underserved communities.
For us to be able to receive this funding is monumental.
$131 million is being allocated to community health centers across Colorado.
Community health centers are trusted primary care homes for vulnerable populations, minority populations, underserved populations.
Pueblo Community Health Center CEO Donald Moore says the $4.8 million they're expecting will go towards nearly 30,000 patients that rely on their services.
With this money, we'll do everything that we can to reach them with vaccines and get them caught up on their health care needs.
Most of those patients, he says, are currently living at or below the poverty line and have had to put off or delay care throughout the pandemic.
In 2019, my organization served almost 28,000 unique individual people. In 2020, that fell to 24,000.
Funding will also help ramp up vaccination efforts like those hosted by Peak Vista Community Health Centers in Colorado Springs.
We had partnered with Governor Polis to work on an equity clinic specifically for vaccines, trying to reach those individuals who may have vaccine hesitancy and even concern to come in.
CEO Lisa Ramey says their $15 million share will be heavily invested in long-term creative ways to better reach patients.
We need to be very strategic in how we approach this funding and how we use it for the best benefit of our patients, because we need to ensure that this is sustainable.
Now, leaders tell me they're still in the planning stages, but hope to start seeing some of those funds as soon as next month. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Jen Moynihan, KRDO News Channel 13.
Good news there, Jen. Thank you.